Hey guys, so I got my dress from Vintage Vandal. It came in today. It is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it is stunning, you guys. It is gonna be for the wedding that I'm going to next Saturday. I can't wait to show you guys like how it looks on me. It's a large, so I absolutely love it. I'm glad I got with the large. I find like here in this section is where I needed it to be nice and tight. So but yeah, you guys, you should definitely go check her out. Her name is Jasmine. She's the owner of Vintage Vandalism. Trust me, you will not be disappointed, you guys. And not only that, but it has a hoodie. I love her. I got to meet her. She came at the salon and everything, so yeah, she's amazing, and I can't wait to style it and stuff. Put my makeup on. Right now I feel and look like shit, so yeah, but I cannot wait to show you. Hey guys, so I just wanted to keep you guys updated. I'm actually feeling much better, and I obviously got my voice back, but I took out 2 teeth yesterday. I don't know if you guys want to see the teeth, but let me tell you, they were completely a disaster. Like, I'm so glad that I've got them out. They were my back teeth. There was one up here and one down here. This one right here, you guys, was probably the worst one. I did end up getting a bone graft, and then he stitched them up, which let me tell you, I was freaking out when he was like, okay, time to stitch them up. Because let me tell you, if he told me that beforehand, I don't know if I would have gone through with it, because I'm a person that is completely terrified of stitches. My mouth was it felt like this huge, like it was all the way down here, but it wasn't. But I was completely numb. But this one here did hurt when he was trying to get it out. I did feel some kind of pressure up here, and it freaked me out just a little bit. I am so ready for the new year, you guys. I've had one hell of a week. I feel like it tested me a lot, but thankfully for my family and my friends, I felt like I could go on. Now, I have not eaten at all except for applesauce and fudge, which is pretty much my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So it's gonna be a little bit challenging because I am pretty much hungry all the time. We'll see. And I can't eat like super hot foods because it could dissolve the stitches, which makes me just super nervous. But yeah, next week I go back to work on Tuesday, which I'm really happy about. And then on Friday we leave back to Tucson because the wedding will be on Saturday. So you guys are coming with me. But yeah, I hope you have an amazing new year, you guys. I definitely am starting off good, slowly but good. But yeah, let me tell you, this last week I have felt this low. Not only was I sick, I lost my voice, I didn't go to work, so obviously I lost pay, and on top of that I feel toothless. That's how I feel. But yeah, I feel better because I'm not in pain anymore. So I'm just in a little bit of pain. Obviously it's bruised, and I just got 2 massive teeth out of me. So but I will see you guys a bit later. I'll see you tomorrow, and then I'll show you what we do in the new year. But have a good night, guys. Hey guys, so I am back. I'm not feeling 100%. I am definitely on some very, very, very strong medication, so that's why I'm like in a happy mood. But I just wanted to say Happy New Year to everybody, and I hope that 2023 brings you everything that you always wanted. I am a true believer in manifestation. I am a true believer, if you want something, you gotta think it, you gotta believe it, and you gotta go for it. That is like the 3 things that I truly believe. I know that this year is gonna be very challenging for me, but I feel like it's gonna be very rewarding. So I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I really just feel like this is gonna be the time where a lot of things turn for me. I've been dealing with sickness. I've been dealing with taking my teeth out, 2 teeth out, and so that has definitely just made me feel very self-conscious, and I've been like a little bit embarrassed as well. I feel like taking these 2 rotten teeth out is going to help with my health, and I think that is like the main thing. So I just wanted to come on here and say Happy New Year. I love you guys, and I can't wait to see you in the new year. Definitely strive to get to the goal that you want, and absolutely let no one stop you, you guys, not even yourself. So whatever you want to have in life, that you've been thinking and dreaming, go after it, go get it. You know what I mean? So I wanna Ozzie's there, so I'm gonna bring Ozzie. My boy. He's been such a trooper, you guys. He's just been with me and just loving me and trying to get me better. But yeah, we both, from me, Richard, and Ozzie, we wish you nothing but the best for 2023. And yeah, I'll see you in the new year. Bye guys. Okay guys, so we're gonna go see the fireworks from Main Street right now, and we're just gonna be there just to see a couple of fireworks, and then we're gonna go back because it is raining and your girls don't want to get sick, you know. I've already had too much shit happen to me. Alright guys, so we're just standing outside. I think there's like 5 more minutes until the fireworks. We're just on Main Street, so we're waiting for it, but it's like raining, which sucks, but yeah, we gotta do it.
Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away. It's getting thicker. But get away from the drinks and chatter. Haven't said a word, but it doesn't matter. Feel the air get thinner. Standing in a blurry dream. No one else can see us. Live your life within the moment, and don't go wait until the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is we'll get older. So let us dance this night away.
Guys, so we're at the Strat right now, and Richard is getting dizzy because he hates heights. It's a lot of fun though. It's so cool. It does look so good. Wow. Look at this sandwich. Oh my god. Alright you guys, so we just came back in. My hair's all messed up, but you guys, it's so cold out there. I am not gonna stay out for too long, but it's pretty cool. We got to see like downtown Las Vegas, so we actually saw where we live, and then we saw the strip as well, so it's pretty cool. We're gonna head off to the Bellagio now, so we'll see you then. We're at the Bellagio right now. It's packed. So packed.